Hi, I'm Barbara Cassidy, and it's that time where the holidays are coming. Everybody's going to get stressed, and I don't know, or it could just be not the holiday when you're watching this. However, we begin to feel this tinge in our throat. It could be from the stress, it could be from the seasonal issues going on outside. But all I know is that when I get that tinge, my throat is not happy, and neither am I. So I'm going to show you how to make a throat spray to help with that. I have heated water because I am going to, it just makes it easier to dissolve my raw honey. So I'm going to stir that in here and just kind of dissolve it a little bit. Sorry for the noise. This works so awesome, and it lasts a long time. There we go. I've got that all dissolved, and I'm going to spray it into my spray bottle. I use a funnel because I like to make a mess. That's the truth. Almost there. All right. There we go. Sorry, now I'm going to add some thieves. I'm going to take this off. And then I am going to cover it up because I'll knock it over. I know that. And add some lemon. So I've added lemon and I've added thieves. This is a game changer, just saying. All right, so from there, you can add either witch hazel. However, I want to show you something. Do not use witch hazel that has alcohol in it. You're spraying this in your mouth. So I am not going to use this because I don't have any without alcohol in my home right now. So instead, I'm going to use vodka. Now, FYI, we're not using enough vodka to make any difference. Seriously. So I'm going to, I hate measuring, y'all, but I'm going to do it. There we go. Just, I mean, seriously, there's not enough in there to make a difference. So you can use this on your child without a problem. From here, I am going to add more distilled water so that I fill the entire spray bottle. And there's not much more that I can put in here. And I know I'm going to make a mess with this. See there, a little bit more. So this is a 2-ounce spray bottle, by the way. That's good. You always want to leave room at the top because when you go to put the spray nozzle in, you don't want it spurting all over. So you can take this and then you just shake it to combine it all. And truthfully, if you keep this in the refrigerator and you have that tinge in your throat and you spray it, it is amazing. I will label this with a cute label so I know what I've got in this bottle because we forget when we start mixing up a bunch of things. I hope this is helpful for you. Reach out and you want to know a little bit more about what I do and why I do it, I'd be glad to work with you. Blessings. May you have wellness, purpose, and abundance.